Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Zelle with Wells Fargo. Before you can send or receive money through Zelle, you need to enroll in the service using the Wells Fargo mobile app. Start by opening the app and signing into your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap the Pay and Transfer option located at the bottom of the screen. Next, select Zelle. Depending on your version of the app, you may find it in the top right corner or under your transfer options. Tap Get Started or Zelle Preferences to begin the enrollment process. You will now be asked to choose either a U.S. mobile number or an email address to link to your Wells Fargo checking account. Select the option you want to use and follow the instructions on the screen. Wells Fargo will send a verification code to the phone number or email address you selected. Enter the code when prompted to complete your registration. Once verified, your Zelle account will be ready to use. To send money, go back to the Pay and Transfer section and tap Zelle. Then select Send. You can choose a recipient from your phone contacts or add a new recipient by entering their U.S. mobile number or email address. After selecting the recipient, enter the amount you want to send. Choose the Wells Fargo account you would like the money to come from. Carefully review all the information on the confirmation screen. Make sure the recipient details and payment amount are correct. When everything looks good, tap Send to complete the transaction. Thanks for watching.